This is the USDJPY chart for H4 time frame. USD Japanese yen. At this moment, this market is consolidated for this area. This is the totally consolidated market. It's the previous trend line. It's the horizontal support area. It also a horizontal support area. This is 200 EMA. This is 200 EMA. If we extend this trend line by this point, it will be a good confluence for next period. So we can say that this is the good confluence for hiking buy, because in this chart it will identify that USDJPY is at this moment USDJPY is uptrend from market, otherwise we are searching for buy entry. So this is a good confluence. It's a good confluence with the combination of 200 EMA, horizontal support area, trend line. So from this consolidated market in near future, soon market will come here. Foreign market will come here. From this area, we are ready. We are ready to make this buy from here. It's the buy area. So we are waiting for buy from here. So next expectation to making buy from here with the target 144.50.